So we are on our way to France. No, we're in France. We're on our way to, where are we going? What? The beach. Good. We're on our way to the beach. In the south.
You are the peace in my trouble.
It's our first evening in France and we've been sitting around, drinking wine, enjoying the outdoors. Evening walk on the beach. Look at that. It's actually quite dark now, but I don't know if you can see it on camera, but we are told that the sun set around about there, so hi police. It's happening! I'm sorry, but we just do not get supermarkets like this in Britain. These prices of wine are €1.20 for the traditional cookie crisp. Because I always used to think you could only get this in France, so I was pretty crushed when I saw it in Tesco. I just found the perfect postcard for Naomi. It's got a rather classy cat on it, and she has just got a cat, and the lighthouse, which we always go to.
Each morning I'll rise and see my God's love will lead me through. You are the peace in my troubled sea. Whoa, you are the peace in my trouble.